everyone, my name is Ana Cristina Andrade and I will be talking to you about Oobleck. So what is Oobleck? First of all, let's talk about what a normal liquid is. All liquids have a viscosity, that rate at which a fluid flows. So normal liquids flow in a constant rate. So liquids that take on the shape of the container they are poured into, which are called normal liquids, also known as water, juice, and whatnot. But some fluids don't follow this rule. We call these strange liquids, or non-Newton fluids, meaning it doesn't quite behave the way that Isaac Newton said all fluids would behave. They might look like one thing, but they behave like another. So I hope you enjoyed this following video with my 5-year-old cousin. We had a lot of fun. Thank you.
Hello everyone, my name is Ana Cristina Andrade, and today I have my cousin, or my double cousin. Can you introduce yourself?
Leo.
Leo, this is Leo. He is going to help me create Oobleck. Do you know how to say Oobleck? You want to say it?
Oobleck.
Oobleck. Sounds French, huh? Oobleck. So what are we going to be using? We're going to be using cornstarch. Cornstarch. We're going to be using water. Water, H2O. H2O. We're going to be using a bowl.
I don't know why that's there.
Oh, what do you think we're going to be using the bowl?
Bowl for
We're also going to
ice cream.
We're not making ice cream, we're making
Because
Oobleck.
there's a spoon. It's an ice cream spoon.
No, you think we're going to be eating it? And then we have, what else?
I forgot what it called.
These are food coloring.
Oh yeah, food coloring.
Woo woo! And then who else do we have to help us here?
The Velociraptor it was.
What's this one?
It's the.
We can come back to it. It's okay.
Yeah, I guess it's the.
This is my favorite because it makes little motions. All right, let's get started. Okay. By the way, do you know what Oobleck is?
Oobleck is corn.
Okay, so we know that it's made out of cornstarch, but what else do you know about Oobleck?
Oobleck?
Mm-hmm.
I don't know.
Okay, well, have you ever heard
of chicken nuggets?
No, of normal liquids.
No.
Well, this is a normal liquid.
Oh yeah, I forgot.
Normal liquids are something that you drink.
I don't even know what liquids. I don't even know what normal liquids are.
Well, normal liquids are water.
And that's it?
Well, water.
And that's the cold water.
What else looks like a normal liquid?
Lava.
Oh, that is a very good question. You know what?
Hot.
We can come back to that one. Another normal liquid could be a, like apple juice.
Apple juice?
Yes.
And also orange juice.
Orange
and
juice.
Water.
Yes, water.
And also water.
But guess what we're going to make today? We're going to make a very, it's kind of like slime, but it's actually called a strange liquid. Yeah, it's called non-Newton's fluids. Non-Newton's fluids.
No, but what about the what happened?
We're going to be using the Oobleck.
No, but what happened to the thing that...
We're here. Okay, so this is what we're going to be doing. You're going to help me. Okay? You're going to help me pour some of the cornstarch in here. There you go. Here, keep going. Okay, let me start. There you go. Yeah. Okay.
Yeah.
And then we're going to put some of the liquids in here. So go for it. Okay.
That kind of looks like cheese.
Kind of does, huh?
It looks like egg. Doesn't it kind of look like egg?
Like the yellow part or the egg white?
Like what you make for eggs.
So the
And then you make cookies with it, and then you squish it.
squish it all together. Ooh, look how it feels. Here, let's
It's hard.
Now touch a piece of the cornstarch. Is it soft or is it hard?
Soft.
It's soft, huh? But what happens when you add water?
It's hard.
It is hard. Here, let's add a little bit more water, yeah?
I want you to touch that one down.
I'm gonna just pour a little bit.
Okay.
Squishy, squishy, squishy.
Here, let's see. Let's try to mix it together.
Ew. I can wash your hands.
Here.
I can wash your hands.
You can wash my hands? Hehe. Well, look what's happening.
It's sticky.
Now, I want you to stop with the water real quick. We're going to stop with the water.
It kind of almost looks like... Ew.
Does it look like a solid? Or is it a liquid?
A solid.
Is it a solid or is it also a liquid?
It's solid.
It's a solid too, huh?
It's
when you
sticky.
add pressure.
Look how I feel it a little bit. It's sticky.
Here, grab some and then squeeze it. Grab some and squeeze it.
Grab some.
And squeeze it. Like if it was squeeze it.
Will you break it?
Yeah. It feels like a solid
Here
when you
go,
squeeze it.
Squishy.
And then it becomes
I got some lines here.
liquid.
It turns into liquid. I don't want my hands. And let's wash your hands.
So, these are not normal liquids, Lil. These are called non-even fluids, which flow at a different rate depending on how much force and pressure is applied to them. So remember how I said when you applied pressure to it, it becomes kind of like a solid, but then you let go?
No, don't touch me.
It
I
becomes
wanted
like a liquid.
to take off my stuff.
Do you want to add some color to it?
Yeah.
What color should we add?
Blue and green.
Blue and green? Okay.
Because they're both my...
How many drops? Do you want to help me with the drops?
5.
5? Let's come together. Ready?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Okay. And then green?
Yeah, green. The same one.
Okay, ready?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Okay. Then we're going to mix them. I'm going to grab another one.
Let's
We're
mix
gonna
it.
mix it together. What color do you think blue and green is going to make? Whoa! It's a little bit hard. Do you want to try mixing it?
Yeah.
Yeah,
Maybe
here.
use a bigger spoon instead.
That's a very good idea. I don't think we have a bigger spoon. Here, maybe can we use this one right here? You can use this one.
Oh, yeah.
How does it feel when you try to mix it?
It's harder like this. It's harder with this one.
I know, right? It's not as solid. It looks like a solid, huh? I mean, sorry, it looks like a liquid. It looks like a liquid, doesn't it?
Look. Look how it looks in there.
It looks like a liquid, but it feels like a solid. Woo!
Wait, it goes.
Woo! You okay?
Yeah. Just get this thing off of me.
Can you show the camera how you're trying to get it out?
Yeah.
Oi!
Ooh.
Whoa! Look at this. Look at this.
Ooh.
Whoa. What happens? Do you think you'll be able to walk on top of this?
Walk
Yeah.
on top of it?
Yeah, do you think you will sink? Or do you think you will be able to stand on top of it without sinking?
You would stand up. You would stay up, but you would not move.
That's why I brought your dinosaurs. To see if we can test our theory. Do you think the dinosaur is going to...
these are my favorite.
Okay.
They're my favorite.
Okay, so how
They're
about...
so clean. They're my favorite.
That is very true. Should we try it with a pen?
Yeah.
Or a highlighter? Do you think it's going to sink or do you think it's going to stand up?
Stand up.
Okay, so I
I
think...
think it would sink in a little bit and stand up
Okay,
a lot.
so let's check this out. Let's see what would happen. Ready?
Just wait a minute. I think it'll just
Okay, ready?
sink.
Oh, it's sinking!
No, it didn't sink. It's thick, but it's oh, I think I know. It needs a bigger part so it can stick on more.
Oh, so we should flip
See?
it. Oh, now it's standing. It's standing up. But is it in top of the surface? Or is it
underneath.
Underneath.
It's underneath, so that's telling us that it's sunk. Here,
like
let's touch it. Ready?
Chicken
Whoa,
nugget.
look at that.
And the chicken nuggets are going after me.
Alright, that is all. I hope you enjoyed our video. Say bye, Lil.
Bye.
Here, we can see you. Say bye.
Bye.
Bye. Another great idea that I was thinking of doing is putting this putting the oblique inside the, I hope I'm pronouncing it correctly, putting it inside a balloon, so like that it can become a sensory, like a stress ball for my students.
And then you can pop it and then...
Ooh, what would happen if we pop it? Do you think it would be like water? It would go everywhere, or do you think it will stay in one place?
It would stay in one place.
You think it'll stay in one place? Me too.
I think it will just stay going down a little. Oh yeah, like that.
Maybe we can test that theory as well.
Oh yeah, let's throw it all over.
Well, not all over. Grandma will get upset with us. But yeah, so this could be become a great way to
look what
use
color,
it as a stress ball.
Look what color it is now.
What color is it?
It's light blue.
It's kind of more like a Tiffany blue. All right, bye everyone.
No! It's stuck on the...
Say bye, Lou.
Bye.